Imagine this. One simple meal on your plate could protect you from the #1 killer in the world: heart attack and stroke. Yes, one meal, when chosen wisely, can literally save your life. Today, I'll show you what that meal looks like, how it protects your heart, and how you can start healing your body from the inside out, starting with your next bite. Hello, my friends. Welcome back to our health family, where we learn, grow, and take small steps that lead to a stronger, longer, and healthier life. Today's topic is close to my heart because every year, millions of people lose their lives to heart attacks and strokes. Many of them had no idea it was coming. Here's the truth. Most of these tragedies can be prevented. And prevention doesn't start in the hospital. It starts in your kitchen. It starts with what's on your plate. Your heart beats over 100,000 times every day, working non-stop, pumping life through your body. But over time, poor food choices can silently damage it, clogging your arteries, raising your blood pressure, and increasing inflammation. The good news is, food can also be your medicine. The right meal can clean your arteries, lower your cholesterol, reduce inflammation, and keep your blood flowing freely. Your body wants to heal you, just have to give it the right fuel. So, what is the best meal to prevent heart attack and stroke? It's not something fancy or expensive. It's simple, colorful, and natural. A perfect heart-protective meal is built from these 5 powerful elements: healthy fats that protect your arteries, fiber-rich foods that clean your blood vessels, lean proteins that nourish your muscles and cells, antioxidants that reduce inflammation and aging, natural minerals that keep your heart rhythm steady. Start with a base of whole grains, like oatmeal, brown rice, or quinoa. These are packed with fiber, which helps remove excess cholesterol from your blood. When cholesterol doesn't stick to your arteries, your blood flows freely, reducing your risk of blockages and stroke. If you prefer a protein-packed option, try lentils or beans. They're rich in fiber and plant-based protein, the kind your heart loves. Next, add a rainbow of vegetables: spinach, kale, broccoli, tomatoes, carrots, peppers. These are loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that protect your blood vessels from damage. Think of every color as a layer of protection for your heart. Green for cleansing, red for circulation, orange for immunity. The more colors you eat, the more protection you give your body. Now for protein, choose grilled salmon, mackerel, or sardines. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which lower triglycerides, reduce inflammation, and make your blood less sticky, preventing clots that lead to heart attacks and strokes. If you're vegetarian, go for tofu, lentils, or chickpeas. Combine them with olive oil or avocado for healthy fats that protect your arteries. For too long, people were told that fat is the enemy. But the truth is, the right fats are lifesavers. Add a spoon of extra virgin olive oil, a handful of walnuts or almonds, or a few slices of avocado. These healthy fats lower bad cholesterol and increase good cholesterol. They make your arteries flexible and resilient, reducing your risk of blockages. Avoid heavy salt and processed sauces. Instead, season with garlic, turmeric, black pepper, lemon, and herbs like basil or rosemary. Garlic naturally lowers blood pressure. Turmeric reduces inflammation. Lemon cleans your arteries. Nature gives us everything we need. We just need to use it wisely. Don't forget the drink that keeps everything flowing: water. Stay hydrated. Even mild dehydration can thicken your blood, making it harder for your heart to pump. For extra benefit, enjoy green tea or a glass of water with lemon. Both help reduce cholesterol and support a healthy metabolism. Of course, no single meal can fix everything, but making this kind of meal your daily habit can transform your health. Combine it with regular movement, even a 30-minute walk after meals. Manage your stress with deep breathing or meditation. Sleep well. Avoid smoking and excess sugar. Your heart is not asking for perfection. It's asking for consistency. Think about it. Your heart has been beating for you since the day you were born. It never takes a break. It beats through your pain, through your joy, through your stress. Don't you think it deserves some love in return? Every time you choose a healthy meal, you're saying thank you to your heart. You're choosing life. You're choosing to be there for your family, your dreams, your purpose. So tonight, when you prepare your meal, remember this: you are not just eating, you are healing. You are not just filling your stomach, you are protecting your heart. Every bite can move you closer to life, or closer to disease. Choose life. Start small. One heart-healthy meal a day. One positive habit at a time. Because your future self, your family, your heart, they're all counting on you. Your heart is a gift. Feed it well. Love it deeply. It will love you back for a lifetime. If you found this message helpful, give your heart a little gift like this video. Share it with someone you love, and subscribe to join our community of health warriors. Together, we can build a world with stronger hearts and longer lives. Until next time, eat smart, stay strong, and keep your heart beating with purpose.